Guys, I'm Agent J from MF4 Real Estate Corporation. Today, I'm in the peak at Havila Township, Taytay, Rizal. And today, mag-update tayo ng mga available na residential lot only here in the peak, Havila. So tara, samahan niyo po ako. So tara mga kabahay, puntahan natin yung isa sa mga most affordable in terms of price per square meter here in the peak, located in Phase 1B, Block 3, Lot 4. And ang available mga kabahay is this lot. Ang lot area is nasa 616 square meter. So yung likod niya is Havila Link Road. And lot siya mga kabahay. And yung terrain niya is slightly downhill. Yan, pababa. And yung front naman niya is this. So yung mga kabahay, pinakita ko na yung most affordable in terms of price per square meter residential lot package here in the peak, located in Phase 1B, Block 3, Lot 4. Puntahan naman natin yung pinaka-prime lot here in the peak, located in Block 6, Lot 3, and Lot 4. Mga kabahay, ito po yung open unit in Block 6. Very prime kasi may direct view of skyline and Laguna Lake. So tara, puntahan natin. Look at that view mga kabahay. Oh. Yan po ang skyline ng Metro Manila. And we're still in the peak, Havila. Ang most exclusive enclave here in Havila Township, located in Taytay, Rizal. Ang elevation nito mga kabahay is nasa 170 meters above sea level. Ito po yung main gate na pinasukan natin. And yung available is located in Block 6. And because mga kabahay, it's very high-end, tingnan nyo naman yung mga house na lot dito. Ang lalaki. So yun, kung naghahanap kayo ng high-end lot here in Havila, consider the peak. So yan mga kabahay, we are in Block 6 na. And check natin yung available na prime lot here in Block 6, Lot 3, and Lot 4. So tara mga kabahay, I'm in Block 6 here in the peak, and yung available na residential lot only na very prime kasi with direct view of skyline ng Metro Manila is located in again Block 6, Lot 3, and Lot 4. Ang lot area mga kabahay is nasa 391 and 426 square meter. Two adjacent lots na magkatabi ang available. Puntahan natin yung view ng lot. So yung lot area mga kabahay, because it's two adjacent lots na magkatabi, so pag i-combine nyo, almost 800, di ba? Ang lot area. Yan mga kabahay, ang view with view of Metro Manila skyline. Welcome back mga kabahay. I'm Agent J from MF4 Real Estate Corporation. And for today's vlog, again, I'm in the peak at Havila Township in Taytay, Rizal. And kung naghahanap kayo ng residential lot na very prime and with direct view of skyline ng Metro Manila, please contact me on my CP number at 0929-705-6363.